Hello friends, I am Aman Sharma. Today we are going to discuss the remaining part of coordinate chapter, coordinate geometry. So today we will discuss how to plot graphs of linear lines. So for example, x is equal to 0, y equal to 0, these are all linear equations. So now we will learn how to plot this linear equation in graph. So graph of x equal to 0, y equal to 0, x equal to a, y equal to a. This is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. This point is origin, that is 0, 0. This is positive 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and so on. Same way this is positive 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. 1, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. So this is how you draw a graph. These all are coordinate axes. Now for example, we have to plot x equal to 0. So this is some line x equal to 0. So now check where is value of x equal to 0. Okay, here both the values are 0, x is also 0, y is also 0. So here x is always 0. But as I move this side, this is x equal to 1 and this side x equal to minus 1. So this is the only point where x is equal to 0. Now look here, what is this point? This is 0, 1. Here also x is 0. Here also x is 0. In the whole this y-axis, x is always equal to 0. So required line x equal to 0 is this line only. So y-axis is also known as x equal to 0. If I have to plot x equal to 2, so this point is x equal to 2, and if I plot a parallel line here, on this line the value of x-axis is always 2. So if I talk about this point, this is 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 2, sorry 2, 3, 2, 4. So on this point, all the points, the x-axis is always 2. So this is line x equal to 2. If we have to plot a negative x equal to minus 4, so this will be the line parallel to y-axis. This line is x equal to minus 4. In the same way, so this is 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, x-axis, y-axis. So this is the line, that is x-axis only line. This is y equal to 0. This line y is equal to 1. This line y equal to minus 1. So x-axis is also known as y equal to 0. And line, if I have to plot any positive line, that will be parallel to this line and on y-axis. So this line is y equal to 3. This line y equal to minus 3. So this is how we plot the simple lines, x equal to 3, y equal to 3. So our first question is based on only these properties. This is our first question. So I will not explain all the parts, just 2-3 parts. So x equal to 3. Just draw the x-axis on your graph. Then x1, 2, 3. So this line will be x equal to 3. So on solving this, we will get x equal to minus 3. So somewhat here will be x equal to minus 3. X equal to 5. So 3, 4 and 5. So here will be x equal to 5. Just solve this equation. 3y is equal to minus 5. y is equal to minus 5 by 3, which is equal to 1.666 or 67. So y, so if this is your y-axis, -1, -2, somewhat here. Just draw a line here. This is okay. You can plot at least 3-4 lines on a single graph, then use the next graph, but you must plot at least 3-4 lines on a same graph. This is very easy how to plot these simple equations. So again, x equal to 0, that is y-axis, and this is y equal to 5 by 2, so that is 2.5. So 1, 2, 3 in the center of 2 and 3. So this will be a line here, y equal to 5 by 2. Draw graph y equal to 3x, for y equal to 3x. So in such a questions, students, you have to make a table like this. This is x, this is y. You have to find at least 3 values of x and y. So for example, first we will take value of x equal to 0. If x is 0, then y is equal to 3 multiplied by x की value क्या है 0. 3 multiplied by 0. Y is also 0. Then we will put x is equal to 1. If x is 1, then y is equal to 3 into 1, that is 3. Now we can put value of x equal to -1. If x is -1, then y is 3 into -1 minus 3. Now we have find 3 points 1, 2 and 3. So just on the graph plot these 3 points. So suppose this is A, this is B, this is C. So A is 0, 0, B is 1, 3. So this is x1, this is y3. This must be the point. Then is x -1, this is -1, y -3. So this might be the point. Just make a line here. So this is your line. So we have first find these 3 points, then we have marked these, plot these points on the graph. 0, 0, 1, 3 and -1, -3. The line can be made by only 2 points, but third point is just for checking that we have done find the first 2 points correctly or not. All 3 points must lie on this same line. If one point is on anywhere else, that means you did some mistake. So to correct that mistake, so you can check again, and where you have done a mistake, you can correct it easily if you have find 3 points. I will explain 2-3 more questions like this. So this is your 5th part. Y is equal to -5x. So again make a table like this. X, y, starting with x equal to 0, y is equal to -5 into 0, that is 0. x0, y0. Then take x equal to 1, y equal to कितना आ जाएगा -5, 1 into -5. Then x1, y -5. Then take x equal to -1, y will be +1. -5 into 5, +5. You can plot these points. Then just plot these points and you will find your answer. We will take some more examples. Now from this third question, first part, y equal to 2x plus 3. Again make a table here. Let x equal to 0. So 2 multiplied by 0 plus 3. Y is equal to 2 into 0, 0, 3. The value of y is 3. Then we can put it positive 1, 2 into 1, 2 plus 3, 5. Negative 1, minus 2 plus 3, 1. Now you can plot these points. Some more examples we will take. For example, question number fourth part. Y is equal to 4x minus y is equal to 4x minus 5 by 2. So again make a table like this: x, y, if x is 0, then y is minus 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2 means minus 2.5. You can plot easily 2.5. Let x equal to 1, so 4 into 1 minus 5 by 2. 4 minus 5 by 2, take LCM, 8 minus 5, so that is 3 by 5 by 2. So if your x is 1, y is 3 by 2, that is 1.5. When take x equal to 2, so y is equal to 4 into 2 minus 5 by 2, that is 8 minus 5 by 2, 16, so that is 11 by 2, 11 by 2, that is 5.5. So you can plot these 3 points. So this is how you do. So this is your fair part, this all is your rough part, but you can write on the same side, then plot on the graph these points. So this whole exercise is like this. In the same way you have to do all these part, the graph, each of the columns, so these are also same. In each of the case, find the coordinates of point where graph lines meet the coordinate axis. So in this question, just after same way you have to do. After that, suppose this is your line, so you have plot this line, this is your required line, then you have to just extend this line to the coordinate axis. So just find these 2 points. So here it is intersecting with y axis. So here x is 0 and the value here, that for example 6, 0, 6, and here y is 0. Find the value of this. Suppose x is equal to minus 6, so minus 6, 0. So you have also find the coordinate axis. For each of the following given below graph, use draw line to find the area of triangle enclosed. Okay, with the coordinate axis. Again you have to make a, so this is your coordinate axis, so you have to draw line from this equation. Just make the points and draw a line. Suppose this is your required line. So this is the area enclosed by line and coordinate axis. You have to find the area. Half into base into height. Just use the formula for areas, then you can find the area. Okay, this is also easy question. Each of the pair lines draw, दोनों lines draw करनी है. Then you have to find the line, whether the lines drawn are parallel or perpendicular. So if the line draws are like this, these are parallel lines. If they are like this, these are perpendicular lines. On the same graph, okay, up to this you try to solve all the questions. The next we will do in the next video. And make sure that if you have any doubt in any of the part, just comment me in the comment section, then I will solve that particular part again. Remaining question we will do. And the next topic, that is inclination and slope. This is not in your syllabus, this will come in the 10th class. So then this chapter is completed. You have to just solve questions up to this 26b. 26c is not in your syllabus. Okay, 26c will come in 10th class. So try to solve all the questions of 26b. I will solve the next part in the next video. Before that, you can try all the questions. Thank you, and do subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends.